You gotta inbox me so we can do business. If y'all wanna get your logo put on the live streams, y'all make sure y'all inbox me. You know what I'm saying? We can get y'all worked out. You probably just want a week package. You might want a month package. We got different strokes for different folks. I can promote y'all. Oh yeah, I forgot we got the demonology voice. I got too many personalities. I can change my voice at any time. How many people was that out of name? There were about 10 different voice changes. You know the Limpy. Hey, you know the Limpy. That's a bad motherfucker, man. Hey. All my people that's watching on TikTok, I just wanted to let y'all know I'm live on my YouTube channel. It's called Lookout Racing. It's showing way better than TikTok. I got it in HD, widescreen. You can turn your phone sideways, put it on your TV. We even got people betting over here if you're in the membership status, which is $5. Just thought I'll let y'all know. Who was that say they just came from TikTok? Cuddy Go Durham just came from TikTok. What Mildred talking about? I can't even read what Mildred said. Okay, Dan D said he watching it on his TV. That ain't, is that Disney Dan? Somebody named D Dan. Jetta Young. Okay, I ain't never met nobody named Jetta. Is that your name cause you got a Volkswagen? Drastic Wolf just came. Uh-oh. Resize, whoever that is over there acting up on TikTok. Okay, Detroit in the building. Okay. Rhea Morales. Oh, Rhea and Angel and Chris Bailey. Man, I know you, Chris Bailey. I know a Chris Bailey. I forgot what is I forgot what. Who is Day Jenkins? Day Jenkins, man. I bet Day is your boy say Day, man. Day Jenkins. That's a good name. I'm trying to think what Jenkins make me. I ain't met a Jenkins in a minute. Okay. Zachariah. I don't know what kind of name is Zachariah. I ain't heard of that. Where you from, Zachariah? Your daddy name. Your daddy was Zach and your mama was Maria. How did that go? How they come up with that? I know you had to ask by now. Edward Flores, what's up with it? Okay. Bill Grumpy Jenkins. Okay. Oh shit. Is this open to the public or what? Oh yeah, you come up here and everything. Yeah, this is open to the public, man. Okay. Do you know Limpy? Attention in the pits. We have someone watching on their Xbox right now. You're gonna have good luck. Oh, Ellis Collins say they are Jenkins too. Yeah, they ain't been floating that last name. Right lane for the win. Done shocked the crowd, y'all. Hey, look out, y'all. My YouTube name is Lookout Racing, man. Today, one time on my YouTube channel. So we all happy about that. If any of my TikTokers want to come over here and go and put it in the 800s, that way we know for sure it's all the way broke. Because one time it was in the 700s. But let's try to do an 8. It's called Lookout Racing, man. It's showing way clear anyway. I know y'all want to bet. What's up, Mouse M? Damn, this little thing here trying to do something, huh? We at Yello Belly. Renee F just came from TikTok. Is that a male Renee or a female Renee? DJ is in the building. Mouse in the building. Bert Gummer said he bet we can get 1,000 in a check. You think we can get 1,000 in here? Chase Jenkins just came over from TikTok. Oh, another Jenkins. Oh, them Jenkins trying to do something. They coming back out, man. Oh, Renee, a female. Hey, girl. Edgar Flores, appreciate the $1.99. I'm gonna go buy me something to drink with that. Uh-oh. We got Justin. Ooh, it look like that. Look like left got him. Oh, but right got his ass. How the hell? Justin Farger said he on the toilet, y'all watching. Yeah. Oh, snap, what's up? My partner from jail watching too, man. I got people in the jail watching, man. Oh, man, dude just came from TikTok. What's up with it, man, dude? Appreciate that. Got man, dude just came from TikTok. Got my partner in jail. They done snuck a phone in. Yeah, them phones done went up in jail, y'all. Y'all done heard how much them phones is in jail? Phone costs $1,000.
Hey, you got that Mustang in that Hellcat.
I got that Mustang in that Hellcat. Yeah, make sure you get on my channel. Ooh, one tire. Come on, other tire. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay, we got Courtney just came from TikTok. Courtney, is that a girl or a boy? Is that a boy Courtney or a girl Courtney? Well, I remember this girl Courtney. Ooh, I ain't seen her no. Yeah, is that a boy Courtney or a girl Courtney? What's up, Cody Redden? Come to my YouTube channel, Look At Racing. We trying to break a record over here. Oh, it's a girl. I ain't got that many girls that be interested in racing like that. I'm surprised to see y'all. Hey girl, where you from? Where you from where girls like racing? Left lane. It ain't that many over here really in Dallas. Violent Assassin. Somebody else just came from TikTok. Oh, Von Vincent. Okay. Oh, she in Georgia. Dang. Okay, we got Court. I ain't see Courtney's. Man, I was on. Okay, Courtney. Uh-oh, somebody that brung they Frenchie in a Tesla. He finna make him a full pass. Let me go see